Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Making Money Online. I believe that those who follow us on our channel by now are making a lot of money online without stress from their various comfort zones. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to this channel, and also remember to hit the bell button to be notified when we release a new video. Thank you. Today, I'm going to be discussing with you how to make $500 a day by just writing, no other skills needed. We know a lot of people are going through various hard times to settle their bills, pay various rents, or meet their many daily needs. Also, a lot of questions have been coming in asking if they can make money online without any high-level skills or engaging in fraudulent activities. And guess what? The answer is yes. So if you're interested in knowing how you can make up to $500 a day from just writing, kindly stay tuned till the end of the video. Welcome to Making Money Online, the channel where you find the best way of making legit money online. We all know that presently the global pandemic is causing an economic recession in various countries, and the global currency has been seriously devalued. Even if it escapes the devastation of this pandemic, there are tons of ways to battle this enemy, a recession that stays in the mind and amidst us. But these are just some helpful tips to help you out. To learn how to make a lot of money online, kindly stay tuned till the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to know more about various ways you can make money online. Does making money online exist? This is one of the questions going through the minds of many people who are not aware that they can make huge amounts of legit money online without any form of scamming. Making money online is real, and I am a testimony to that. For example, here I am voicing this video from the comfort of my own home. Here are 5 helpful tips to make $500 a day by just writing. Writing for a living has various advantages because you get to choose when and where you work and with whom. 5. Get paid to write articles for blogs, magazines, and journals. Despite talk of global content fatigue, major publications both on and offline must keep publishing content or they die. It's why the job of writing is so in demand. That means popular WordPress blogs, magazines, and journals remain hungry for quality content and its writers, and many are willing to pay for it too. You'll need to hustle to find the best writing opportunities, understanding that success won't happen overnight. But freelancing for these publications is still a smart way to make money online as a writer. Let's start with the blogs. Although writing articles for popular blogs, aka guest blogging, is still typically unpaid, with most new writers trading their content for exposure via a byline or author bio, numerous exceptions still exist. Guest posts can also lead to other paid work. Take this blog, for example. We've approached several guest writers to create content for our paid courses and paid them several $1,000s for their work. Paid guest writers. What about the world of print? Is that still a viable way to make a living as a writer in this day and age of online everything? Traditional publishing has had a rough ride, but many consumer magazines are still going strong, and many of these publications still pay well for feature articles. Of course, you can't expect to land a lucrative opportunity right away. You'll need to climb the ladder via smaller, local publications, building your credibility as you go. Likewise, trade journals crave quality articles within their narrow topic areas, and many are waking up to the more conversational, engaging writing style that writing for the web demands. Also, talented bloggers with proven specialist knowledge can often skip the ladder climbing and break in with the right pitch. In general, the secret to making this model work is being tenacious about chasing down opportunities, whether it's ghostwriting or regular freelance writing work, and being efficient with your writing once you land them. 4. Make money by creating collateral for content-hungry businesses. In the last 5 years, content marketing is a concept of creating valuable content to attract customers, build credibility, and trust, which is undoubtedly mainstream. More and more businesses are getting into the content game. Some have a clear strategy while others are just jumping on the bandwagon and hoping it pays off down the line. This has created a market for smart writers who can write for a specific audience. These content-hungry businesses need articles, white papers, case studies, etc., and they fully expect to pay for them. With patience and hard work, you can establish a track record of successful projects and break away from the low-earning masses. However, this route requires a writing portfolio of content-related skills and not just an understanding of the target niche, but marketing fundamentals and SEO too. In other words, you'll need more than a laptop and a passion for writing to impress this crowd. You'll need to persuade clients that you understand the bigger picture. One smart way to differentiate yourself is to build your platform using blogging and guest blogging to demonstrate the expertise you hope to harness for others. 3. Get paid to write by becoming a best-selling Kindle author. What about making it big as an author? Could that be your best route to a life of freedom as a full-time writer? Well, it's certainly more realistic than it used to be. 10 years ago, writing a best-selling book was a distant dream for most writers, and self-publishing on Kindle was often dismissed as a vanity exercise. But today, thanks largely to Amazon and Kindle, the self-publishing book market is gigantic, and making money from writing books is far more achievable on a daily basis. To succeed, you need to be commercially minded and target an established market with proven demand from readers. That doesn't mean you shouldn't follow your passion, but be prepared to validate it first. You'll need to be persistent and prolific too. There are chances that you'll publish several books before gaining any traction, and you'll need sales from multiple titles to approach anything resembling a full-time income. You need to be led by the market for topic or genre selection, and you need to be prepared to write multiple books before seeing any real results. One major advantage of this route is that you continue to earn money from your back catalog, sometimes far into the future. Once you start to make a basic living from your writing, additional titles only build your income further. 2. Make money writing as a conversion-focused copywriter. Copywriting, in a nutshell, is writing that's designed to make readers take a specific action. Sales letters, video scripts, even product descriptions. These all need writing by someone, and they live or die on the results they produce. Copywriting may not seem fundamentally different from other forms of writing, but in practice, it's a discipline all of its own. While there's a trend towards more conversational, empathetic copywriting that is moving away from the hype-fueled hard sell, you still need a solid understanding of the principles of persuasion. 1. Build a niche blog and promote third-party products. I'll be honest, building a popular blog is not tough. And once you've scaled your blog beyond a certain point, you might be surprised how little time you spend doing the thing you love, which is writing. So if your dream is to build a six-figure blog, you'd better be as excited about the prospect of running a business as you are about writing your next post. But there is a path to making money from a blog where you still spend a good proportion of your time writing, and it starts with picking a blog niche where a large, passionate audience already exists. And this is a crucial way where you can find successful products from trusted names to sell. Promoting affiliate products is a much smarter way to start earning money from a blog than creating your product. With an affiliate product, someone else has already done the hard work of validating the market, building the product, and enhancing it based on customer feedback. Someone else gets to handle the pre-sales inquiries, payments, refunds, and product support. Many affiliate products pay high commissions of 50% or even more, because the incremental production cost of digital products is essentially nothing. Point outline. Make money by creating collateral for content-hungry businesses. Build a niche blog and promote third-party products. Make money writing as a conversion-focused copywriter. Get paid to write by becoming a best-selling Kindle author. Get paid to write articles for blogs, magazines, and journals. We're sure with these few effective tips, you're at the start of earning big on a daily basis. For more helpful information on how to make money online, stay connected to our channel, and you can only do that by following, liking, and subscribing to this channel. Making money online really cares about your financial state. Stay tuned for more of our videos, and don't forget to follow our channel and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you would also like to learn about related content from our channel. So make sure you check it out, and always remember you can have a debt-free life.
It's caught in the crossfire.